that idea.
Technology's amazing.
I know. I know. Where was that at my 5th grade birthday party? All right, let's go ahead and get started with a look at the forecast. Satellite radar showing rain and snow still pushing out across northeast and east central areas. This is on its way out. So as of right now, a little bit of some light snow, mostly some light to moderate rain still falling out over Quay County. This isn't too much of a concern. I think we'll take the moisture, but again, that's the last of it. We had most of the rain, snow, and wind come yesterday. So this is the calm after the storm this morning. Temperatures in the 30s. 40s and 50s out there. There's a couple 20s up over southern Colorado, but in general, we are looking at a much cooler start to the day compared to what we had yesterday. I mean, take a look at the temperature change here. Anywhere from 15 up to 25 degrees colder across the state. Albuquerque down by 17 degrees. That you're going to notice walking out the door, but you'll also notice the lighter winds. Right now, less than 10 miles per hour here in Albuquerque. They're breezy conditions at times out over east central New Mexico. Even Socorro still getting knocked around with those winds at about 20 miles per hour. But the winds in general today will be about 10 to 20 here in the metro, so we can handle that. It is an improvement from what we had rip across the state yesterday. Forecast high about 68 degrees. When it comes to the setup today, we're still watching for some spotty showers up to the north. We are going to be cool statewide. Most of us not at average yet. We'll get there come tomorrow, though. Problem being tonight and into tomorrow morning, there's a quick hitting system moving to the north of us. So northern mountains, you'll likely get in on some of these spotty showers overnight into early tomorrow morning, but doesn't amount to much. It's not going to accumulate into anything significant. Bigger issue tomorrow will be the strong winds and the fire danger returning to most of central, southern, and eastern New Mexico. Next big weather maker moves in Friday. Storm track looks great. I like the fact that it's a little deeper digging across the state, but it's also much colder, so snowpack actually looks to get a little bit of help from this next storm system as it is packing in good moisture, and the fact that we've got those cooler temperatures, widespread snow likely over the mountain areas, the rest of us looking at widespread rain showers and a significant cool off. That you'll notice in the 7-day forecast, but something quickly to note too, they have already issued the fire weather watches for tomorrow for everybody in beige. So it's going to be one of those days come tomorrow afternoon with the strong winds, the blowing dust, and the high fire danger. Southern Colorado temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Today, sunshine through most of the day. Tonight into tomorrow, we'll likely squeeze out a few of these spot showers. Northwest, sunny, dry, and breezy with temperatures in the mid-50s to low 60s. Overnights back down to the 30s. Southwest, 60s, 70s, and even a couple of low 80s in there. Warmer tomorrow before the cool down hits late Friday into Saturday. Southeast, high temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Warmer come Thursday and Friday, but down to the 60s with a better shot of showers on Saturday. Northeast, high temperatures in the 50s and 60s, but as of this morning, you're pretty cold. Still looking at the rain and snow. That'll be gone by midday. Northern mountains, mix of sun and clouds, highs in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. Showers look to return again overnight, but more significant snowfall likely Friday and Saturday. East mountains, high temperatures in the 50s and 60s today. Warmer tomorrow, although cooler both Friday and Saturday. Metro looking at high temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. We will see a lot more sunshine today compared to yesterday. Looking to stay dry through the day today, but the winds come up and they come back with a vengeance come tomorrow. Breezy conditions Friday, but at least we have some moisture to look forward to, not only Friday, but lingering into Saturday as well. Much cooler temperatures, though, this weekend, 50s at the warmest Saturday before we rebound nicely Sunday into Monday. Of course, with those two storm systems, make sure you're staying up to date with us. I'm sure we'll be tracking a lot of change here, too, when it comes to the snow chances and the rain.
So a little calm before we get hit once again.
Yeah, a good 12 hours, and then northern mountains, you start it all over again.
Oh, man, it was brutal yesterday. The wind? Whew,
yeah,
cold.
the good news is this storm coming in tonight doesn't look to be as big of an impact. I mean, it'll drop a little bit of snow over the higher elevations. Friday storm, stronger than what we just had yesterday.
Get ready.
Let's get a look at traffic.